नमस्कार, मेरा नाम स्वाति है। मास्टर इन इंडियन नॉलेज सिस्टम कोर्स कर रही हूँ और आज जो प्रोजेक्ट वर्क मिला है, मैंने जो चूज किया है उसमें कंपैरेटिव स्टडी ऑफ द ओरिजिन ऑफ द यूनिवर्स जो टॉपिक मैंने लिया है, जिसमें हम बात करेंगे बेसिकली यूनिवर्स के ओरिजिन के बारे में, और जिसमें बेसिकली 3 थ्योरीज को हमने यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट किया है: बिग बैंग थ्योरी, स्टेडी स्टेट थ्योरी एंड ऋग्वैदिक थ्योरी. The remarkable journey of the universe. The Big Bang theory is the dominant cosmological model describing the early expansion and evolution of the universe from an incredibly hot and dense state billions of years ago. So, सबसे पहले तो बात होती है कि ये ब्रह्मांड यूनिवर्स का विस्तार कैसे हुआ, और अभी तक ये एक रहस्य का विषय बना हुआ है, और अभी भी लगातार रिसर्च हो रहे हैं, साइंटिस्ट इस पे खोज कर रहे हैं. तो एक रहस्यमय टॉपिक को चूज करना मेरे लिए सौभाग्य की बात है कि इतना इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है. और मानव रचना का विकास से पहले इस यूनिवर्स का विकास ऑलरेडी हो चुका है था, और ये अस्तित्व में आया, इसका एक्सपेंशन हुआ, इवोल्यूशन हुआ, या ऑलरेडी ये था ही अस्तित्व में. इस तरह की कई तरह की बातें हैं. क्यों हुआ ब्रह्मांड का रचना, किसने किया? या जब हम फिलोसफिकल पर्सपेक्टिव से देखते हैं तो हम ऐसा मानते हैं कि ब्रह्मांड की रचना एक क्रिएटर ब्रह्म के द्वारा, जो अल्टीमेट ट्रुथ है, उनके द्वारा इस ब्रह्मांड की रचना हुई और इसका विस्तार हुआ, और ये विस्तार अभी तक सतत चलता रहा है. Expansion of the universe: early expansion, continued expansion, accelerated expansion. After Big Bang, universe expanded rapidly, then cooling and allowing the formation of the first subatomic particles. Then universe continued to expand and cool down, then formation of the first atoms and release. After the formation of the atoms, that release of the cosmic microwave background radiation. Then observation suggests that the expansions of the universe is currently accelerating, like due to the mysterious dark energy that permeates the cosmos. Formation of after the Big Bang, when universe expanded, then formed the formation of the different galaxies and the stars. Gravity and structures. So gravity played a very crucial role in the formation of the first structures in the universe, such as galaxies and clusters of the galaxies. Star formation. Within these galactic structures, clouds of gas and dust collapsed under their own gravity and then formed the first stars. And galactic evolution: over billions of years, galaxies have continued to evolve, merging and interacting with each other, shaping the large-scale structures of the universe. Life cycles of the stars. Birth. Stars are formed from the collapse of giant molecular clouds, igniting the nuclear fusion processes that power them. Main sequence: stars spend the majority of their lives in the main sequence, fusing hydrogen into helium. And after that death, at the end of their lives, the stars can undergo dramatic transformation, such as becoming supernova. creativity of the heavy elements, creation of the heavy elements, so formation of the stellar nucleosynthesis, that nuclear fusion processes that powers the stars को ने शक्ति प्रदान किया, that are responsible for the creation of the most of the elements that found in the universe. Supernova, explosive death of the massive stars known as supernova, that are primary source of the heavier elements like iron, gold, and uranium. Cosmic enrichment, these heavy elements are then dispersed throughout the universe, enriching the gas and dust that forms new stars and planets. Cosmic radiation, cosmic microwave background radiation. So the cosmic microwave background is the oldest light in the universe, originated from the time when universe first became transparent to radiation. Uniform temperature, remarkably, cosmic microwave background radiation is remarkably uniform in temperature with tiny fluctuations that corresponds to the seeds of large-scale structures we see in the universe today. Cosmological significance, the study of cosmic microwave background has provided invaluable insights into the early universe and has been crucial in shaping our understanding of cosmology. Epoch of reionization, first recombination, Big Bang के बाद यूनिवर्स जब कूल डाउन हुआ तो फॉर्मेशन एटम्स का फॉर्मेशन हुआ, इस पीरियड को रिकॉम्बिनेशन कहा गया. The first stars and galaxies eventually formed, emitting, released the ultraviolet radiation, and that ultraviolet radiation was ionized that surroundings gas and marking the epoch of reionization. Structure formation, this period was crucial for the formation of large-scale structures we observe in the universe today. The large-scale structures of the universe, galaxies, clusters, superclusters, and filaments. Basic building blocks of the universe that forms galaxies, and after that clusters, group of hundreds or thousands of galaxies bound together by the gravity forms the clusters, and superclusters, the largest structures in the universe containing hundreds of galaxies clusters. And after that, filaments, vast thread-like structures that connect galaxies, clusters, forming the cosmic wave. The search of dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter, a mysterious invisible substance that makes up about 85% of the matter in the universe, exerting a gravitational influence on galaxies and galaxy clusters, and that dark energy, an even more enigmatic force that appears to be driving the accelerated expansion of the universe. Ongoing research, astronomers and physicists continue to study these elusive components of the cosmos, hoping to unravel the secrets of the universe evolution and composition. The future of the universe, continued expansion, then heat death. Universe is continuously expanding with the rate of expansion accelerating due to the influence of dark energy. Then heat death. Over trillions of years, the universe eventually reach a state of maximum entropy. Heat death, where all useful energy has been exhausted, and alternate scenarios other theories suggest that universe could experience a big crunch. Big crunch means ऐसा ये सिद्धांत कहता है कि एक दिन जो ब्रह्मांड का विस्तार हुआ वो रुक जाएगा, जैसे ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स के कारण पदार्थ जो है वो पदार्थ को अपनी तरफ खींचेगा तो हमारा यूनिवर्स सिकुड़ता जाएगा. फिर बिग बैंग, एक फिर से बिग बैंग विस्फोट होगा, महाविस्फोटक होगा, फिर से यूनिवर्स का एक्सपेंशन होगा। इस तरह का बिग क्रंच थ्योरी में बताया गया है। और इवन अ साइक्लिकल एक्सपेंशन एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्शन विथ नो डेफिनेटिव एंड इन साइट। लिटरेचर रिव्यू, लिटरेचर रिव्यू में जैसा कि हम देख रहे हैं, इंडियन पर्सपेक्टिव वुड एक्सप्लोर एंशिएंट इंडियन टेक्स्ट, फिलॉसफीज, कॉस्मोलॉजिकल कॉन्सेप्ट्स। Here's an overview. Vedic cosmology, Rigvedic Nasadya Sukta describes the universe origin from a primeval void. Upanishads Brahma as the ultimate reality and source of creation. Puranic cosmology, Vishnu Puran and Bhagavad Puran. Philosophical perspectives में अद्वैत वेदांत आदि शंकराचार्य ने जो एक्सप्लोर किया, एक्सप्लेन किया, that is the universe is an illusion and Brahma is the ultimate reality. Sankhya philosophy describes the universe evolution from primal matter, that is Prakriti. Cosmological concepts, Kalpas means cycles of creation and destructions, Manvantras and Chaturyug 4 ages. Objectives, what are the objectives? Investigate the origin of the universe from diverse perspectives, analyze the theories, different types of theories, models and interpretations, compare and contrast the different approaches, synthesize findings to deepen understanding. स्कोप साइंटिफिक थ्योरी है जिसमें बिग बैंग है, इन्फ्लेशन थ्योरी है, मल्टीवर्स है। फिलोसफिकल पर्सपेक्टिव्स में एंशिएंट ग्रीक आते हैं, एंशिएंट स्क्रिप्चरल इंसाइट में ऋग्वेद, उपनिषद। Methodology, literature review, expert interviews, comparative analysis, synthesis, and integration. Expected outcomes, comprehensive understanding of the universe origin, critical evaluations of theories and models, insight into philosophical and ancient perspective. Background, the origin of universe has fascinated humans for centuries, with ancient civilization proposing various explanations. Ancient perspective here, Hindu mythology, Galileo's observations, Newton's law of motion, and universal gravitation, Big Bang theory emergence, and modern cosmology developments. Key milestones. George Lemaitre's cosmic egg hypothesis, Edwin Hubble's expanding universe observation, 1929, cosmic microwave background radiation discovery, 1964, large-scale structure observation, 1980s to 1990s, dark energy and dark matter discoveries, 1990s to 2000. Philosophical and spiritual perspectives, ancient Greek philosophers, Eastern philosophies, Buddhism, Hinduism, Taoism, modern philosophical interpretation, Kant, Whitehead, and Hawkins. Current understanding, get the Big Bang theory's explanations, that is basically suggesting a Big Bang theory that explanation explains the singularity expansion around 13.8 billion years ago. Inflationary model propose a rapid expansion in the early days. that the inflationary model जो एक कॉस्मोलॉजिकल थ्योरी है और जो ब्रह्मांड की जिसने ब्रह्मांड की उत्पत्ति और विस्तार को समझाने के लिए एक प्रस्तावित की गई है। यह मॉडल जो ब्रह्मांड के शुरुआती चरण में एक तेजी से विस्तार हुआ और उसको दर्शाता है और जिसे हम इन्फ्लेशन कहते हैं, जिसमें एक तो ब्रह्मांड का शुरुआत जैसे बिग बैंग थ्योरी में भी है कि एक सिंगुलैरिटी से हुआ है, तो इसमें भी एक सिंगल पॉइंट से हुआ है ऐसी बात कही गई है और इस पॉइंट से ही यूनिवर्स का विस्तार तेजी से हुआ। विस्तार की दर इतनी तेज थी कि ब्रह्मांड का आकार जो था कुछ ही सेकंड में कई गुना बढ़ गया है, ऐसा माना जाता है। ब्रह्मांड के विस्तार के बाद जो ब्रह्मांड ठंडा होने लगा और उसमें पदार्थ का फिर निर्माण हुआ। इस तरह से मल्टीवर्स हाइपोथेसिस सजेस्ट मल्टीपल यूनिवर्स बियॉन्ड, जो हमारा जो ये सिद्धांत एक सिद्धांत अवधारणा, यह एक सैद्धांतिक अवधारणा है जो यह कहता है कि हमारा जो ब्रह्मांड है कई अन्य ब्रह्मांडों के साथ सहअस्तित्व में था। यही एक ब्रह्मांड नहीं है, साथ साथ और भी कई ब्रह्मांड हैं। उन ब्रह्मांडों को अलग अलग आयामों में स्थित माना जाता है और उनमें अलग अलग जो भौतिक नियम हैं और स्थिरता है वो हो सकती है। तो उसी मल्टीवर्स में हमारा एक यूनिवर्स भी है जो एक अस्तित्व में है। डार्क मैटर एंड डार्क एनर्जी, mysterious components driving cosmic evolution. So this detailed backgrounds highlights the evolutions of ideas and discoveries leading to current understanding of the universe origin. Introduction of Big Bang Theory, singularities, पहले हम बात कर चुके हैं कि यूनिवर्स began as infinitely hot and dense point. उस सिंगुलरिटी से एक विस्फोट हुआ, एक्सप्लोशन हुआ, जिससे यूनिवर्स एक्सपेंड हो गया और फिर वो कंटिन्यूस आज तक है। कॉस्मिक इवोल्यूशन हुआ, यूनिवर्स इवॉल्व फ्रॉम अ प्लाज्मा से स्टार्ट होके सब एटॉमिक पार्टिकल्स, फिर एटम्स, फिर स्टार्स एंड गैलेक्सीज का फॉर्मेशन। Evidence supported by a wide range of observational evidence, including cosmic microwave background radiation, abundance of light elements, large-scale structures of the universe. So these all theories, all points actually explains that how the after the Big Bang Theory, universe, how the universe actually expanded, became exist. Universe actually exists. Over principle, universe had a beginning. Big Bang Theory suggests that universe had a starting point. Universe is expanding. We are discussing all these things earlier. So actually I explained all these things earlier before. So the universe is evolving. All the same things are here. The Big Bang Theory provides a framework for understanding the origins and evolutions of our universe from the first fraction of a second to the present day. Research on the Big Bang Theory, cosmic microwave background radiation. Ongoing research focuses on refining our understanding of the universe origin and evolution. So cosmic microwave background radiation, further analysis of the CMB to understand the universe compositions and evolution. The cosmic microwave background is the thermal radiation left over from the Big Bang, detectable in the form of microwave radiation that fills the universe, dating back to 380,000 years after the Big Bang. Analysis on the cosmic microwave background is analyzed to understand the universe, origin, evolution, and composition. First, temperature. The cosmic microwave background's temperature is around 2.725 Kelvin. Spectrum. CMB's spectrum is a perfect black body radiation curve. Fluctuation, tiny fluctuations in temperature and polarization reveal information about the universe structures and evolution. A power spectrum analysis, it studies the distribution of fluctuations across different scales. Fourier analysis, it composes the cosmic microwave background into its constituent frequencies. Correlation function analysis, it examines the correlation between fluctuations of the different distances. After CMB analysis, what reveals? Universe age, the CMB's temperature and fluctuation help determine the universe's composition, that spectrums and fluctuations reveals the universe composition, including ordinary matter, dark matter, and dark energy, structure formation. The CMB's fluctuations provide evidence for inflation and rapid expansion. Inflation means a rapid expansion in the universe. Satellites and experiments. Cosmic Background Explorer first detected the CMB's fluctuations. WMAP, WEM, Wilkinson Microwave Anisotropy probe mapped the CMB's temperature and polarizations. Planck provided high-resolution maps of the CMB's temperature and polarization. Future experiments, Siemens Observatory, CMB's S4, and others will further study the CMB's polarization and the fluctuations. History of the universe. As we know, the universe, the history of universe and how it evolved is broadly expected as the Big Bang model, which states that universe began as incredibly hot, dense, and roughly 13.7 billion years ago. So how did the universe go from being fractions of an inch across to what it is today? So first, how it all started. So Big Bang was not an explosion, but the moment space itself appeared everywhere. The universe began as a hot dense point. Scientists are still figuring out what happened before Big Bang using advanced telescope and mission. A crucial clue comes from the cosmic microwave background, which is afterglow of the Big Bang. In 2001, NASA's that WMAP mission helped determine the universe is to be about 13.7 billion years. So, universe first growth spurt. Very shortly after the Big Bang, universe experienced rapid expansion called inflation, growing exponentially in size. As it expanded, it cooled down and matter began to form. Too hot to shine. In the first 3 minutes, light elements were created, but the universe was too hot for light to shine. For about 380,000 years, it was a dense plasma of particles. let there be light around 380-100,000 years after the Big Bang. The universe cool enough for atom to form, formation of the atom. This evidence known as recombination made the universe transparent, allowing light to escape as the cosmic microwave radiation, as we can detect today. Emerging from the cosmic dark ages, about 400 million years after the Big Bang, the universe began to formation of the stars and galaxies during a phase called reionization. Ultraviolet light from these first stars cleared out the surrounding gas, making the universe transparent to this light. More stars and more galaxies. Astronomers study the distant galaxies and the cosmic microwave background to learn about the early universe. Birth of after the solar system covered through then invisible stuff in the universe in 1960s. Astronomer Vera Rubin discovered the galaxies contain more mass than we can see, leading to the idea of dark matter. This unseen matter, dark matter, this unseen matter basically affects the movement of stars but does not interact with light, and making it hard to detect. The expanding and accelerating universe in the 1920s, Edwin Hubble found that universe is expanding. Later, in 1998, and the Hubble Space Telescope showed that the expansion is accelerating likely due to the dark energy, which remains mysterious and is believed to make up about 80% of the universe. We still need to know more. Despite many discoveries, big questions remain about dark energy and dark matter. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021, aims to explore this mysterious and look back at the universe beginning. And second theory, steady state theory. The theory proposed by Fred Hoyle, Thomas Gold, and Hermann Bondi in 1940s. Those who are suggested that the universe has always existed in a current form with no beginning and no end. In this model, the universe is constantly expanding, but its average density remains constant because new matter is created at the same rate and the old matter is destroyed. This means that universe looks the same from any point in time or space. Key features: external universe, constant density, continued creation. Role in the origin of the universe. The steady state theory aimed to explain the universe's existence without the Big Bang, suggesting it has always been there. What are challenges? The cosmic microwave background radiation discovered in 1964, the CMB contradicted the steady state theory by indicating a hot, dense early universe. Abundance of light elements. The theory struggled to explain the proportion of light elements like hydrogen and helium. Large-scale structures, it could not adequately account for the distributions of the galaxies and the large-scale structures in the universe. Decline and legacy. By the 1970s, the steady state theory was largely discredited, replaced by Big Bang theory, and it contributed significantly to cosmology by stimulating research, encouraged exploration of alternative cosmological models, plasma universe theory. It led to the discovery of the CMB, which supported the Big Bang theory. sparked investigations into galaxies formation and nucleosynthesis, influencing cosmology. It challenged the Big Bang theory and prompted critical evaluation of dominant models, emphasized the cosmological principle shaping our understanding of the universe structure, and it influenced developments in gravitational physics and philosophical discussions on the universe origins. Evolution of the steady state theory. The theory evolved from earlier concepts such as Edwin Hubble's discovery of cosmic expansion, which destabilized static models like Einstein. George Lemaitre proposed a dynamic universe with a definite beginning, similar to the Big Bang theory. In 1948, Hall, Gould, and Bondi published influential paper on the steady-state model, leading to significant discussion in the scientific community. However, as observational evidence increasingly supported the Big Bang models, the steady-state theory became less prominent and is now often regarded as a historical idea rather than a viable cosmological model. Now, Rigvedic theory of the origin of the universe. The Rigvedic theory is a cosmological concept that rooted in the ancient Indian texts, the Rig Veda, which poetically explores the universe origin and evolution. Here's a concise overview. So, key elements of creation: primordial waters, that is Rasa. Universe began in a vast dark ocean known as Rasa. Rasa symbolizes the undifferentiated, unified consciousness. The golden egg, Hiranyagarbha, and from Rasa emerged Hiranyagarbha, a golden egg containing the potential of the universe. Hiranyagarbha represents the cosmic seed with the blueprint for creation. Emergence of the Brahma, that Brahma basically created God and emerged from the Hiranyagarbha, bringing order to the universe. He embodies the creative principle manifesting the universe from the cosmic seed. So Rasa represents infinite dark universe. Hiranyagarbha, a golden egg, symbolizes the cosmic seed of potential. Brahma, the source of creation. Srishti, the creation, basically arose, representing the emergence of the universe. Tamas, darkness, initial state of formlessness. Cyclical cosmology, eternal cycle of creation, preservation, and destruction. Basically, क्रिएशन अगर बात करते हैं क्रिएशन की, तो ब्रह्मा ने क्रिएशन किया. अगर हम स्पिरिचुअल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखते हैं, प्रिजर्वेशन, मेंटेनेंस, जो विष्णु भगवान को मानते हैं. डिस्ट्रक्शन जो डिस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं, महादेव शिव भगवान को कहते हैं. तो ये तीन जो हमारे जो शक्ति है, शक्ति इन द सेंस हमारे गॉड है. अगर हम स्पिरिचुअल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखें, तो जिस तरह से क्रिएशन, यूनिवर्स का क्रिएशन होता है, यूनिवर्स इन द सेंस सृष्टि का क्रिएशन, फिर प्रिजर्वेशन और समय समय पे डिस्ट्रक्शन होता है. तो इसे हम स्पिरिचुअली अगर बिलीव करते हैं, स्पिरिचुअली हम ऐसा मानते हैं कि ब्रह्म ने इसका निर्माण किया, कृष्ण भगवान ने इसका विस्तार किया, इसको मेंटेन करके रखा, और शिव भगवान ने इसको डिस्ट्रॉय किया. So this overview encapsulates the essence of the Rigvedic theory, highlighting its philosophical depth, literary significance, and enduring influence on cosmological thought. Creation hymns, Nasadiya Sukts. So Rigveda's creation hymn describe the origin of the universe beginning with the void, शून्य से शुरू हुआ. Then there was neither being nor non-being. ऐसा था ना तो कोई living being था और non-being था. The one-breathed, windless by its own impulse. एक impulse से एक वन ब्रेथ और वाइंडलेस का फॉर्मेशन हुआ. ये इस तरह से नासदीय सूक्त में कहा गया है. साइक्लिकल क्रिएशन है. साइक्लिकल क्रिएशन में द यूनिवर्स अंडरगोज साइकिल्स ऑफ क्रिएशन, प्रिजर्वेशन एंड डिस्ट्रक्शन. सृष्टि, स्थिति and then after that pralay. Each cycle signifies a new creation, evolving and dissolving back into the primordial. So that is the stages of the cosmic evolution. Rasa, Hiranyagarbha, emergence of Brahma, after that creation of gods and humans, evolution of the universe. So the concepts, Rata, the cosmic order governing the universe evolution, Satya, truth, representing the ultimate reality, Dharma, universal law maintaining balance and harmony. So philosophical significance. Dharma is universal law, Sanatan, eternal law. ये ऐसा लॉ जो ये मेंटेन रहता है और ये सतत चलता रहता है. बैलेंस एंड ये मेंटेन करता है बैलेंस, मेंटेनिंग बैलेंस एंड हार्मनी. कहीं भी किसी भी तरह का इम्बैलेंस अगर होता है तो ये एक लॉ है जो उसको बैलेंस करके रखता है, हार्मनी में चलता है. सो philosophical significance, the Rigvedic theory emphasizes the cyclical nature of creation and destruction, highlighting the interconnectedness of the existence and the ultimate reality. It encourages contemplation of the universe, mysteries and humanity's place within it. Scholarly interpretation, cosmological perspectives, externalism. Some traditions see that universe as eternally existing. Creationism. Others like Vasishtha Advaita and Vasishtha Advaita Vedanta believe in a creator. Cyclical cosmology and the Rigvedic theory itself describes a universe with recurring cycles of creation and destruction. As we discussed, the primordial substance, Rasa, Hiranyagarbha, Purusha, Sambhu, Brahma as symbolic of the creative powers. Philosophical implications, monism versus dualism, different interpretations may lean toward non-dual and dual or dualistic perspectives. To non-dualistic perspective, द्वैत वेदांत जहाँ प्रकृति और पुरुष की बात की गई है. नॉन-डुअल में ब्रह्म जो हम बात करते हैं, ब्रह्म से ही सृष्टि की रचना हुई और ब्रह्म में ही लीन हो गए. तो ये अद्वैत वेदांत की बात करते हैं. डिटर्मिनिज्म वर्सेस फ्री विल, varied emphasis on determinism versus free will in the universe evolution. Teleology, a discussion on whether the universe has a purpose or a direction. Literature review, ancient text, Rig Veda, the primary source of the theory. Brahman, commentaries expanding on the Rig Veda. Upanishads, philosophical explorations of the universe. Classical interpretation, Adi Sankaracharya, he basically views the theory as a symbolic representations of the ultimate reality. Ramanuja interprets it as a creation by a personal deity, and modern interpretations, Aurobindo explains or explores the theory as an evolution towards spiritual consciousness. Capra, 1975, he draws parallels between the Rigvedic theory and the modern analysis, and scholarly analysis. Murray analyzes the language and symbolism of the Rig Veda. Keith examines the historical and cultural context, and Klostermaier, 1989, offers an overview of the theory's significance. Now, conclusion. So, the origin of theory is a complex and multifaceted topic, and that has been studied and debated by scientists, philosophers, and theologians for centuries. So, based on correct understanding of the cosmology, astrophysics, and particle physics, and following conclusions can be drawn. Universe begin as a singularity. In it basically it is in a single form, and that single form is very hot and was very hot and dense point. And after the Big Bang, the Big Bang theory is well supported. Observational evidence from the cosmic microwave background radiation, large-scale structures, and abundance of light elements confirms the Big Bang theory. The universe expanded and evolved, and so from the singularity, universe expanded, cooled, and forms the subatomic particles, then atoms, stars, galaxies, and large-scale structures. Matter antimatter asymmetry exists. The universe contains more matter than antimatter, which is not yet fully understood. And dark matter and dark energy dominate the mysterious component, make up around 95% of the universe mass energy budget, but their nature remains unknown. The universe is still evolving, galaxies collide, stars form and die, and the universe continues to expand. The origin of the universe is still not fully understood. Many questions remain unanswered, such as the nature of dark matter and dark energy, the origin of matter, antimatter symmetry, and the universe ultimate fate. So thank you.